What are we doing, JP?
I don't know.
You don't know?
You are the one who knows what you're doing.
There we go.
All right, thank you for that.
We're done.
We'll find out. No, I'll need your help, Steve, for this piece here too.
Oh, there's another.
3.
So let's start off by talking about the parts of the sail. This bit here, which is folded back, is the head of the sail, okay? And this is the headboard, okay, where we attach it to what is called the halyard, which is a rope that pulls the sail up and down. Okay, over here are, I forget what they call these things, but this goes into the track, mast track. The mast is the big stick. And this is what keeps it attached to the boat, to the mast. These things here, I just can't remember the name right now. These sticks here, see there's sticks here. These are called battens. B-A-T-T-E-N-S, and there's 4. This is fully battened, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and they give the shape to the sail.
Yeah.
The sail has to be, it's like a wing, same principle. In fact, airplane wings is derived from a sail, so it needs to be like shaped like a wing, you know, and that's what catches the wind, and that's what propels the sail along. That part there at the bottom is called the foot of the sail. Okay.
Yeah.
This edge of the sail, which is along with the mast, is called the luff.
The luff.
L-U-F-F. And the reason it's called a luff is when the sail is flapping, it's called luffing. So the luffing always starts by the mast. This edge here, which we need to repair, is called the leech. Okay? And going back to the foot of the sail, this part here, which is tacked, T-A-C-K-E, is called the tack of the sail, that corner there. And this sail here is called the clew.
The what?
Clew, C-L-E-W. And I remember as a junior sailor that we learned to remember, the mnemonic we learned to remember it is because it's the skipper sits back here and the skipper is clueless.
How
So this is why how we remember it's called the clew of the sail. Okay? Know how that was put on.
So this is the first time fixing the sail with
First
this
time
kind of
fixing the
tape.
sail, this kind of tape, so.
Yeah.
So let me peel this off. This looks like it was stitched on somehow. I mean, this doesn't seem to be the same consistency as that, so. All right, I need JP Reed to stretch.
Stretch, can you send me
So if you can help that as well, please. Well, this will do the job or what?
So we are turning the sail so we can put the, where is it? Here. Here, here.
Can you do that?